This is my beehive. So we're going to introduce them to their new home and become friends with each other. So there you see Dan's bees. So here we are, gang. So I've taken 4 slats out and I'm going to take my new friends. We are going to put it down in the slats. I will open up the top and allow them to come out on their own and get used to their new home. We're going to have some feeding solution on the top, so we're going to give them some sugar and water, make them nice and happy, and then tomorrow or the day after we'll be pulling this box out and I'll be putting my new slats in there so that they can start making their new home.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world.
Sorry everybody.
The queen is in that cage.
There is the queen is inside my little cage here, and we're going to slowly let her out. So I'm learning all this as we go, but I'm going to remove this plug on the top, and then inside there's a sugar plug, so the bees are going to chew through that. And so 2 to 3 days they'll have gotten through and to release our beautiful queen into her new home.
Like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there.
There you are. You can see the sugar plug at the end. The cap is off now, so that's where we're going to release it there.
And you'll be there, 'cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah.
Hi everybody. Hopefully you're enjoying the video.
I'll sing a song beside you, and if you ever forget how much you really
Give them some water and sugar. So give them a little bit of food for the next few days. Help them out a little bit, adjust to their new home in there. So we're going to just take this and tip it upside down to give a little bit of food. Right over the screen there, Eldon.
Yes.
Come on.
Oh, they'll find their way. Eventually.
Just like that.
count on you, like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there, 'cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah. Ooh.
There we are. Make sure we didn't crush any. Sir,
That's it.
we're in business.
You're in business. You're a beekeeper.
I'm going to sign off now, and if you take a look, they're going to find their way in and out. I'll show you a little bit here if you want. You can see the bottom. That's their entrance is right on the bottom, as well as there. We've got 2 entrances into this. Like I said, we got that box in there, so the bees are slowly being released. We've got some sugar water on the top there for feeding, and they're a little mad right now. But I think they're calling my name. I've heard them say Dan a few times, so it looks like we're going to be good friends. And we'll talk to you guys soon. This is so cool.
Ooh.